Okay, here we are with the Mako2 set up, connected up to your RX18. Standard procedure as always. You use the supplied cable to connect from your IR out port here, or your IR port on your RX18 unit, to the input on Mako2, and then the output connects to your battle unit. In this case, we're using a prototype Piranha unit. Okay, so that's the simple connection. Now, the biggest update we've done to the Mako, well, to the whole of the battle system as a whole, I guess, is that we've introduced a giving each unit a unique 3-digit identification number that will allow you to tell which unit has shot you, and you'll be able to work out your battle statistics from that, and maybe say which tank is the most accurate, and so on. Okay, now here is how we give our Mako2 unit its own number. First of all, come up with a number. Put that in your head. Okay, now to program in the number, you're going to need your trusty Sony remote, and you're going to need a Manta diagnostic LCD. And we're going to use the direct connection to the Mako to program in our number. Don't forget, the LCD can connect to Mako in two ways. You've got your direct connection or through the Remora wireless link. Now, when you use your direct connection, you must disconnect the jumper that's on the Manta board. So there'll be a jumper or a switch there. Remove the jumper for direct connection. Now we'll just plop our Manta board there, and the connection we use, the Manta connection, Mamba connection, is the middle set of pins. So if we just connect up there to the middle set of pins, we're right to assign our number to our Mako. All we need to do now is power it up, and when the unit goes into program period, which you won't, well, I could tilt that down a bit so we can see the LEDs that are on it. Okay, when it goes into program period, you press menu. Okay, then some X's will come up on the screen, and then we'll type in our number. We're going to go 352, for example, if I can remember that number, into our Mako. So let's fire her up. Screen comes on. Now it'll go into program period, which is now. Press menu, and it'll say tank ID number, and 3 X's will come up. Now type in our number, 3. Once it changes, the next number, 5 and 2. Once it's got 3 numbers in there, you might have seen it just flash the unit number. It's now back into program period. So our unit's been accepted, the number's been accepted. As you can see, it's gone through the flashing there. It's all right to go. So our Mako unit now has the unit number 352. And that's how you program in the unit number for Mako2.